Boxing balls are a popular training tool for boxers, fitness enthusiasts, and martial artists. There are many products available to choose boxing balls, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best boxing balls from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Boxing Reflex Balls Set of 4 Boxing Ball MMA Gear. The Boxing Reflex Balls Set of 4 from Champs MMA is a great way to improve your reflexes and hand-eye coordination. It includes 1 adjustable headband, 4 balls with cords, and 4 extra cords. The set is suitable for both adults and kids, and the innovative knot-free rotating buckle ensures that you don't have to pause your punches to untangle straps. Customers have found it to be a great product for the money and have enjoyed the fun and challenging experience. Number 2. Boxing Reflex Ball Set, 4 difficulty level boxing ball on string. The American Fist Boxing Reflex Ball Set is the perfect way to improve your reaction time, agility, and punch speed. This innovative training kit comes with 4 difficulty levels, allowing you to progress from a newbie to a beast mode level. The special headband with a premium anti-slip design ensures safety and ease of use during reflex training. Plus, the set includes 4 lobster locks, making it easy to assemble and switch between different balls. By regularly using this gear, you can train your reaction time, agility, punching speed, fight skill, fitness, and hand-eye coordination. Take your boxing skills to the next level with the American Fist Reflex Ball. Number 3. Punching Bag with Stand, Boxing Bag. This punching bag with stand from Tech Tools is a complete boxing set for adults and teens. It includes a durable base, spring-loaded adjustable shaft, a pair of comfortable boxing gloves, and an inflation pump for the punching ball. The height of the stand is adjustable from 48 inches to 58 inches, making it suitable for everyone. It is perfect for stress relief, workout sessions, and MMA training. Customers have found it to be very durable and stable, although some have experienced issues with the base leaking. Number 4. Boxing Reflex Ball for Speed Training Enhance Reaction. The Champs Boxing Reflex Ball is a great way to improve your hand-eye coordination, reaction speed, and reflexes. It comes with an adjustable headband and string, making it suitable for kids and adults alike. The ball is heavier and harder than other reflex balls, making it a great addition to your boxing gear set. Burn calories, have fun, and improve your reflexes with the Champs Boxing Reflex Ball. Number 5. Maxima Speed Adjustable Freestanding Reflex Bag Kit. The Maxima Freestanding Reflex Bag Kit is perfect for stress relief, workout session, and MMA training. Its height and speed are adjustable, making it ideal for anyone in the family. The punching ball is made of better materials and comes with a 1-year replacement guarantee. Its durable and stable design includes a large capacity base that can be filled with up to 30 pounds of water or 55 pounds of sand. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.